honey garlic chicken thighs, pan-seared, glazed. You've got to try this one, it's super tasty. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 4 to 6 boneless chicken thighs, skin on or skinless. Salt, pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon oil, olive or vegetable. 3 garlic cloves, minced. Quarter cup honey. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Optional. Chili flakes or chopped green onion for garnish. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 30 minutes. 1. Seasoned chicken. Lightly season both sides of the chicken thighs with salt and pepper. 2. Pan-sear. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear chicken thighs for 5-6 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Remove and set aside. Sear chicken thighs for 5-6 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Remove and set aside. 3. Make the glaze. In the same pan, reduce heat to medium. Add garlic and sauté for 30 seconds. Then stir in honey, soy sauce, and vinegar. Let it simmer for 1-2 minutes. 4. Glaze the chicken. Return chicken to the pan, spoon sauce over the top, and let it simmer for another 3-4 minutes until the glaze thickens and coats the chicken. Best enjoyed warm and fresh. Serve with rice, noodles, or roasted veggies. Spoon extra glaze on top and garnish with green onions or sesame seeds. Little tricks that make a big difference. 1. Sauté garlic on medium heat. Only burnt garlic turns bitter. Stir gently for just 30 seconds before adding honey and soy sauce. 2. Simmer glaze slowly. Let the sauce bubble gently to thicken into a glossy coating. Don't boil hard or it may burn. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal